Hello everyone, on this video let's see how we can generate signals from MasterTool using a function block called gen. Let's go back into our user PRD and call a new empty box. And let's call the gen function block, and this function block is also available through the U2 library. So basically with this function block you can generate a lot of signals like a sine, cosine, a triangle, or sawtooth on the output. Here let's select a variable to select the type of signals we want to produce on our output. Let's create a variable called signal underscore mode. It's an enumeration called gen mode. The base parameter, it defines whether the signal will be generated based on a certain period of time or in the cycles of the PLC. We want to define this by a period of time, so this parameter will be false. If this was true, the signal mode would be generated according to the PLC cycles, but we want to define this period of time, and the period of time is going to be like 1 second. So let's declare a time constant here from 1 second. And in 1 second, I want to produce 5 signals. So in my cycles, I'm going to define the constant 5. Amplitude is the amplitude of the signal. Let's say 100. And if you want a reset variable, we can create a variable called reset signal gen. In our output, I will not declare any other variable. So in order to see the signal, I'm going to show this in a trend. So I'm going back to my trend and I'm adding a new variable. Let's call the function block output, which is inside our user PRD dot our function block gen0 dot out. Okay. Now I can log in to the simulator. You can see here that my mode is already set to triangle, and you can see I have some information on my output. So let's go back into our trend and split the screen between the trend and the function block. I need to download the trend in order to see the signal. And you can see here I have a triangle based signal. Let's change the signal mode to a sine. Let's write this value. Okay, so now it's generating a sine based on our given amplitude from the function block. Let's try another type of signals, like a sawtooth. Here I have a sawtooth signal. So if you ever need to generate signals from your project in order to simulate something, you can use the gen function block.